Hey guys, this is Alexander at All Security Equipment, and today we're going to talk about solar panels. We've been selling more and more solar systems, and the reason is pretty simple. You install the new gate, you don't want a trench, but you need power. What can you do? Use solar panels. Most of the gate operators today work on 12 volts or 24 volts, which make it a very easy setup for solar. However, different states have different days of sun throughout the year, and so you have to make sure that you right size your solar system to your location. Very important. We have online, and I'll put the link below, the page where you can see the zones, in the US, from Florida all the way to Washington states, and what is the amount of solar panels that you should use with your gate operator. I have to say that most of the solar panels that the manufacturers are providing are usually 10 watts, which in my opinion is way too little. At All Security Equipment, we have our packages with either 20 watt for a 12 volt system or 40 watt for a 24 volt system. But in some occasion, it is still not enough. And that's why we have come up with extra capacity solar panels. So this is a 50 watt 12 volt solar panels. So you can use that for a 12 volt system, or you can use two and get 100 watts for a 24 volt system. And these solar panels are very heavy duty. They are really, really nice. They come with a beautiful connection in the back. I recommend that you buy those extra wires. Those are 20-foot wires, so you can connect those to the solar charge controller. And then the super nice thing is that they already have connectors, so you just click them, and it's much easier to connect than having to do your own connection. So again, those are 50 watt solar panels. Also, another very important thing is that up until now, we were using 20 watt solar panels up to 40. So they are compatible with most gate operator boards, including the LiftMaster, which has a maximum capacity on the board of 60 watts. That you never want to go to the limit of 60 watts. You always want to be a little under. And that's why if you get these extra size solar panels, which I think is better, it's just safer to have more power, you have to buy a solar charge controller. And actually, a solar charge controller should be bought anytime you do a solar installation. This is a very good system, very economical. You plug in your panels, you plug it to the battery, and then after that, you have a system that is super reliable, that does not rely on the board, so no extra work for the board to manage this power from the solar panels. So this is the solar charge controller, 50 watt solar panels, and because those panels are bigger and heavier, you want to make sure that you also get the upgraded bracket for the solar panels. So I pre-mounted the bracket already, so that way you can see that we can extend to the side, to each side, to match the width of the solar panels. You can change the orientation, so that way you can put them down or up to you, to have it perfectly set up so you have the maximum amount of sunlight on the solar panels during the day. And then on the back, as you can see, you have multiple ways to mount it. So you can either just directly screw it if it's on a wall or a column, or if you have a post, the bracket comes with these metal collars, so that way you can attach them, up like this, or one to the side, however you want. So that way you secure your solar panels onto this heavy duty bracket. So again, you don't want a trench, you want to go solar. Why not? The only investment that you would have to do is really buy these panels, and then it's free electricity for your gate for as long as you have the solar panels. Thanks for watching, and as usual, check the description below for all the links to these products, and we'll see you in the next video.